up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing another gotcha video. It's kind of been forever since I've did the last one, so let's not waste any time and get right into this thing. Hey, guys! Hey! Hi! Hey, guys! Follow me! But wait! A few moments later. Oh my fucking god, slow the down! Yeah, I'm so exhausted. Nope. See, I told you it's not that bad. I think you should look behind you.
It's okay, I don't bite.
Do you guys think we're safe? Yeah, probably. I hope. Wait, they didn't do anything to us though. Yet.
There you three are. Don't you know that running into someone's house is not good?
I'm not feeling so. Run!
There you two are. You know, running is such a human thing. It's so pathetic. And leaving your friend behind, still so pathetic.
Wait, you didn't take Lav? No, I thought you woke her up.
See, so pathetic. You know, I kinda feel bad. So I might spare you two. But your friend, she would make a great addition to my soul collection.
No way! You aren't doing that to Lav.
Oh yeah, try me.
What did I... OMG, what is happening?
What, are you amazed by my beauty?
No, I mean, yes, but... Run, she wants to kill you. Ah!
Should I kill her?
Yeah, probably. Wait, what? Okay guys, that's all the time I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. If you think someone you know would enjoy this video, please send this to them. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye!